Hi, my name is Bobby Llewellyn. I'm a technician here at Lake Garage, and today we are going to be working on a 2021 Lamborghini Huracán Evo. All right. When you lift your Lamborghini, you're going to want to make sure that you lift from all of the designated lift points here. I went ahead and got all that done. That way I didn't bore you. But you're going to be looking for 8 drain plugs on this car. So your first 3 are going to be 1, 2, 3. Then we've got 4 up here. Coming to the back of the vehicle, we have 5. In this corner, tucked in front of the wheel well, we'll have number 6. Lastly, number 7 is going to be right here on this line right here. And then right above it, it's going to be number 8. Alright, I'm going to come on and do a voiceover during this part just so that way I can make sure I explain the steps correctly. So when you do drain this, the car is going to take between 8 and 10 quarts of oil. What we always do is we drain the oil, as explained, and then we put 9 quarts of oil in, and then we run the car until it's up at operating temperature before checking the oil. That's just to make sure everything's flowing correctly. But typically the car is going to take about 8.5 to 9 quarts. But it's always good to capture your oil if you can and measure it, just so you know exactly how much you pulled out. All right, real quick, coming back in here on a voiceover. What I'm doing here real quick is while the engine's warming up, I'm just double checking to make sure that nothing is leaking. So I'm going to go back over and check each drain plug, make sure there's nothing leaking, making sure that I've cleaned the car correctly. I'm standing there with the owner, so he's over there able to verify that I have successfully done the work and that there's no issues. We're just going to make sure that we do a thorough job while inspecting this. So while it's in the air, we did notice there was a little bit of residual oil left around some of the drain plugs. So we just wanted to spray it off, and yes, I absolutely did just nail myself in the face with some brake cleaner. I guess it bounced back and got me in the eye. That stuff burns, so be careful using it. I definitely should have been using some safety glasses and wasn't, so just keep that in mind. But yes, like I said, there were no leaks. Just wanted to get it all cleaned up, make sure that it all looks pretty. so I forgot to film an outro. That was my bad. It was a busy day at the shop yesterday. But I want to remind you to consult your owner's manual. This is more of a vlog style how-to than a actual legal instruction. If you have any questions or need help, come see us at Lake Garage in Laverne, Tennessee. And don't be afraid to get in there and turn some bolts, man. It's easy peasy. Get in there and rip it, baby. Have a great day, y'all.